We start seeing.
Zane!
Fuck. Not clear,
Finger.
driver. Not clear.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Finger.
Finger him in the ass.
Looking good, Deegan.
Oh.
You want to come to my place after the race?
Oh!
Oh.
Caution.
Shit.
Caution.
Yellow.
Fuck the 20 truck.
What's the safety
Shit.
truck doing?
Hey yo, what the safety truck doing?
Got to do some
Oh, absolutely, I had to.
something next.
Oh, you just lost it. Damn.
Wait, he got hit. He got
Trying
hit.
to get out
Yeah,
there and try to
but
beat that
Who is
laptop.
that? Is that breeding? Is that danger?
Finger.
That's
It's not
Who's
just a
up there?
NASCAR.
Well,
It's a
I think
truck.
guys,
It's
Fool's
not
up
just
there.
a NASCAR. It's a
fuck-
truck.
wait,
Uh-oh.
Fool is up here. I think
Uh-oh.
Fool is
We're
up here.
dying.
This can't
We're
be good.
dying. We're dead.
We're
Here
done.
we go.
We're dead.
Three
We're dead.
wide.
We're about to get another bad Kansas wreck. Here we go.
Flip watch, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
Flip
Wait,
watch.
actually?
Oh, Kyle.
I don't know the.
Woo!
Oh, what a great pass.
What a move.
Ow.
Come on, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Come on,
If
Kyle.
it was, oh my God. If it wasn't Kyle making that move, the whole field would be dead. Holy shit. All right.
Kyle Busch is right on his tail.
Oh, he's gonna get him. He's gonna get him.
He
No.
gonna get
Block him.
He
Put him
gonna
in the
get
wall. Put him in the
He's
wall.
gonna get him. He's gonna
Suck
get
'em
him.
all. Suck 'em all.
Put him
He's
in the
gonna get him
wall.
Side.
Oh.
Side by
Go, Kyle,
Holy
go.
hell.
Mid roads.
Fuck, dude.
Let's go.
For the stage?
Yeah, dude.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet.
Yeah, it is. Kyle's got
Okay,
it.
it's
Fuck.
over.
God damn.
Yeah, it's
fuck.
over.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Hey,
I'm fine with Kyle Busch winning the stage, but fuck, dude.
Stage winner. KFB.
God
Deacon
damn it.
10th. Deacon 10th.
Mickey 10th
Oh,
place
yeah.
finish. Mickey.
That
Wait,
ain't
Deegan's
Mickey,
tenth?
that's Deegan.
Queen 10.
Okay.
Team.
World will know.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my nose.
Man's died, bro.
Oh,
Lord.
Holy shit.
Right as I said that, he probably wouldn't.
Oh,
do that,
caution.
But
Oh my God, dude.
Oh.
save it.
He fucking saved it, NASCAR. Oh my God.
Hey, the
Whatever.
20 wreck. His teammate. Okay, yeah, I hate this team.
Why the fuck did
Get
they
out of the
throw it,
gray.
dude? He was fine.
I don't fucking love it. What happened here?
Oh my, he lost it off the. Oh my God.
My headset's muted, ain't it?
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Why do we? I hate,
This one's
No
on
caution
training.
was needed. Like
I
he
hate race
saved that
control
car.
so much.
Fucker in the butt.
Don't act surprised. You know you like it, you whore.
Back, what happened?
Bro was fucking pulling on like a
Whoa!
freight train. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Why'd I
Damn
come
it.
back to?
Alright, chaos.
Looser than a
Chaos.
porn star's pussy. What the fuck? Sorry. Fuck.
I mean,
I
you
really
ain't
don't.
wrong. You ain't wrong.
Look at him. He's all over the place. Corey Heim? He was like fourth.
Corey Heim. I'm like maneuver. Let's go.
I think lap 67 will be halfway, yeah.
Cool.
Dude, Grant!
Oh.
Oh my God! And Finger's
Oh.
flying. He
And
might be.
finger
The,
about to finger the field.
he's about to
Just
get, he might get
finger.
second right here.
Oh, he's
He
gonna get
is!
second. He's gonna,
What the
he's
fuck?
gonna get to his old ride.
Dude,
Bro,
he just
GMS
shot
today,
away.
what?
Stage winner, Ty
GMS.
Majeski.
Yep.
Oh! Caruth got him.
And-
Damn.
And finger just fingered the rest of the field.
Dean top 10, let's go!
That name.
What the fuck are you talking about, bro? What is bro saying?
I don't know. My bad.
Bro!
I'm good. I'm good.
Dude. I'm sorry, dude. Oh my god, man. Oh man.
My bad, dude.
Oh, I'm fucking crying, dude. Holy shit.
What happened? Welcome to the internet. Take a look around.
Wait a second, Mike's filming. This is gonna be gold this season.
What the hell did I miss? Whoa!
Oh my god. I can't stop. Fuck.
What happened? What happened?
Oh, dude, the loudest fucking burp I ever heard just occurred. Oh my god. Dude, I just spit everywhere. What the fuck?
Jesus.
Fuck, bro. Whoo. God damn.
Are you done crying? No, please don't go. No. Oh, he cleared him.
Oh.
Jesus fucking Christ, Raja. Don't
He's
clear
a- he's
yourself. Don't be Daniel
aggressive.
Hemrick.
He's aggressive, bro.
Don't be Daniel Hemrick, dude. Don't clear yourself at Talladega. The consequences are crucial. You'll almost go in the fucking
He
fence.
didn't clear himself. He made a bad block. That's what happened, but.
Oh. Kind of what Bubba did.
That is what Bubba did. That's what I was talking about.
Hamburg the field.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I couldn't even hear that. Discord did not like that. Discord. Get this
God
watermelon
damn,
bitch out of here.
Fuck.
Discord couldn't handle it.
Ankrum is going through a lot right now. Jeez.
Don't breathe asbestos, okay?
Oh,
Not a good idea.
that's not good.
It's not a good idea.
Got some fungi growing in your nostrils, my man.
Shit.
Fuck.
Chastain's
Fucking-
back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Chastain about to do the hospital hop. Here we go. Fuck. Oh my god, let's go. Who's our sixth?
Oh, he was.
You're having a fucking stroke. Come on, Raja. I'll be fine with the career.
Dude, I'm getting another
Please
prime.
don't
Bro,
clear him.
let me tell y'all something.
Oh.
Meta Moon Prime is the best. Oh, he wrecked him! He wrecked him! Holy fuck, he actually did it!
God.
He actually fucking did it! Oh my...
He turned him. That was intentional.
What?
That was 1000% intentional.
That really was
I have
intentional.
no words. I have no words right now.
Oh,
I have-
What an asshole.
I have 0 words.
What an asshole.
I cannot believe what I just witnessed.
Hunter, you see it right there? That's what's gonna happen to the 5 card on Sunday.
Aggressive. Did he block him? Yeah.
He was blocking
I
aggressively.
see the steering wheel.
That's a racing deal.
You said another car was involved. How though? I don't see another vehicle getting involved.
I mean, it was a very minor turn to the left there, so it was really hard racing there. I don't really fault anybody.
Alright, here we go.
All right,
now chill out.
here we go
Let's do
again.
You know, I'm gonna say the N word.
Oh.
No, he's around.
Oh my god. And it's all the fucking cool people. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Every
Unfortunate.
good.
Oh.
Did the 19 just get
Unfortunate.
hit? I think the
Oh,
19
who
just
the-
got hit. I think the 19 just got hit, dude.
Somebody
Really
got ran over.
unfortunate.
Oh,
The third
Carson.
row on the bottom.
Yep, I
Oh my
knew
God.
Purdy hit him. I knew it. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Was that
I saw
fucking Purdy?
Power mark. Is he good?
Yeah, they're chilling.
He's good.
I
They're
think.
fucking fine. Hold on.
Oh, god damn it.
Unfortunate.
Hold on, who the-
Still restart.
Dibby's in
Who
it.
the fuck was
Matt.
third in line?
I don't even. I wasn't even really paying attention. I was looking at my other monitor. And I
Wyatt
just
came
see
back
4 trucks
perfect.
going to the
Bro.
wall.
I look away and then next thing you know, I just
Carson,
get
too.
trucks.
Oh
my
highway,
God.
like, oh, please.
All the cool
All my-
people. Ekis,
Bro, all my
Purdy,
fucking favorite
Hocevar,
drivers.
Dibby, Thompson. I'm so.
Bro, Every
right now.
driver I like is in that fucking wreck. Oh, and then the last wreck, and the wreck before with Raja and fucking Ty Majeski was stupid too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we were just talking about that.
But I mean, Raja was blocking. This was just fucking bullshit.
So, welcome to the Truck Series, ladies and
Dean's
gentlemen.
Yeah,
so
that's how I
mad.
fucking feel, Dean.
Ah,
Dude, who poked out third in line?
I have to
There's
see a
no way that was
replay.
gonna
I don't
fucking
even
work.
know.
Fucking race.
No, okay, goes down.
I mean, Dibby
Oh my
blocked.
god. They be blocked, but I mean, oh my god.
I don't know. That's just the. You're trying to get all you
That's
can on the
never
restart.
go in the wall.
Nick
That was
Sanchez
kind of
got
Dibby,
fucking
actually.
lucky.
Fuck.
Nick Sanchez got lucky.
God
Yeah, and
damn
then
it,
fucking
Ed.
Purdy was going on the inside on the apron, and Ekis.
Dude, they were
Got
gonna
him,
go
got
4
him.
wide. That
Watch
wasn't
this.
gonna work.
Yeah, see, I think it's
This
gonna
is what
cut
this
off
team-
like right. Oh, here we go.
Matt didn't have to fucking. Matt didn't really need to do that.
He might have. It might have sucked him around actually because Ekis was really close to
No,
his
he-
bumper.
He went down to block and he got hooked a little.
Carson
fair,
got fucking
yeah.
sandwich. Carson
Yeah.
got fucking
All right.
sandwich.
I just wanted to fucking voice my
Before-
frustration.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
I'm fucking mad.
No.
never
I'll be
That's what
I'll
happened.
be on in like
They cut
30
off-
minutes,
Okay.
maybe less.
All right.
Oh
Oh my god, dude. These
Well,
last
so
two
we're gonna
wrecks have
truck
been
around
so
here.
stupid.
Really thought we were gonna have a
Why
truck
the fuck
upside
you
down
do
there.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna have
The-
like a fucking Anthony Alfredo type wreck.
Wait, I want to see this. The stupid fucking shit that happened.
Oh man.
Wait, who came? Wait, who was that?
Daniel Dye.
Oh my god, Daniel Dye with the fucking.
Yeah, I know. Again, he's around the wreck again. Can we see
He-
the?
He's like.
Here we go. I think we're gonna
behind
see right
every
here where
wreck.
the 4 is gonna hit the 19. Here we go. Watch this shit.
Oh,
Oh!
wow.
God.
Driver's side.
God damn! No wonder Ekis looked kind of banged up there.
The shit one.
Pissed.
Dude, a thug. He just did the thug shaker on screen. Can't believe it.
All the fucking good ones are going.
Oh my
This
god.
was-
Sucks. We were a little bit off during the race. I thought we were really good all day, then just kind of lacked balance. And then,
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh.
So
The O2 just fucking wrecked.
Oh.
Oh shit.
And it's hard in the wall.
Fitting, the
Him
O2
again.
truck has caused his second caution.
So wait, did just lose it on the corner?
He might have gotten. Oh,
He
yeah,
got-
he lost it again. Did he overcorrect?
Yeah, he overcorrected it.
What a fucking moron! Yep.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Sir, that is not how you drift a race car.
I had to learn that the hard way.
You're not the
Fucking
sharp- You're not the sharpest tool in the shed, aren't you?
A. Chris, you're not the sharpest tool in the shed, are you?
That's just wrong. Like he got it because
I mean, he actually has
How-
talent, but he does
Yeah.
some stupid shit.
there's times. when
Bro,
he does
Haley
something-
Diggins running
He's
slower
so
than a.
developed
Than a
driver.
oh, here he goes.
Oh my
fuck.
god! What a move!
Holy
shit.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god!
The 23.
And the 23 is gonna run away because these two are gonna battle. Oh my god!
Bro.
Didn't do that. Oh,
Well,
turn
flex
one.
skill.
Turn one. Trouble. Turn one.
Trouble. We're looking at turn
God
one
damn
instead
it,
of
Fox.
a fucking race.
Todos para días. Close down.
Look, my mom
Nah,
walked in
nah,
the
nah.
room. She saw the Victoria's Secret truck, and she was like, "What the
Yeah.
hell?"
I know.
Yeah, Mikey, get that experience. Yeah.
You wish.
Tony.
Tony.
I want to get her
Is it
experience.
Tony
if you know
or
what
Tony?
I'm
I
saying.
can't. I don't know.
It's Tony. Don't do it.
Tony. So can I just refer to
Spelled-
her as
Spelled Tony wrong, but
Tony? Yeah, she's Italian.
I just
I think she's
realized I
part
wasn't muted
Arab.
that whole time. So you
Tony
just
Guido.
heard me fucking
Not
speak
even kidding.
Spanish.
She's like part Arab or something.
Oh wait, hang on. Okay,
Looking red.
evacuate the whole track. Evacuated.
metal detectors. Put them at every facility.
What are we talking about again?
He probably wasn't the
One
best
last
truck. It's
ago,
just that all
presented
the
by
Guys,
Craftsman
guys.
truck suit.
Guys, Daniel dies right near him. Something bad could happen. Remember what happens when you're near Daniel die.
He does have the camera angle.
Well,
He
here you
has
go.
to
Finish
be
on the
able
lane.
to
Oh,
moment.
come
He's always
on.
able to. He's always there at the right moment. He's able to avoid it every single time. It doesn't make sense.
I would be pissed off if he Kyle Larson's this turn.
All right. Come off at turn number
You got
4.
it, yeah. Let's fucking go,
wins
baby.
again.
Good job, Grant.
It blows the
Win
engine.
of the year.
DMS.
There's my cum finger.
We have
DMS
3
got
different
one.
manufacturers in the top.
There's my cum finger.
I think they're just gonna remain
I
Chevy. I
have-
think that's what I heard.
I have a rebuttal. Fucking
Throw it.
the O
Throw
the
it.
07, the O.
Throw it. Throw it.
No balls.
Throw it in there. Throw it like a spear.
Fucking impales him.
Oh, look at that.
They're
it's
trying
from
so
the-
hard to get it out there to
Hey,
him.
guys, it's like
Throw it.
from the Frozen Mummy. Oh, look at that. I've been in
Throw it. Oh, he's gonna flip it.
No way.
What is he doing?
Nah,
Just
and
throw
finger's
it.
getting out.
Fucking
And
throw
finger's
it.
getting out.
Oh.